Hi! So, I'm back. This time, share ko sa inyo yung aking journey sa pag-achieve ng aking American dream. Let's start with my NCLEX. I studied for 9 months. Basa ng basa, kulong sa kwarto for 9 months. After ng duty, study. Kapag nasa duty, pinafamiliarize ko yung sarili ko sa mga normal values ng labs. December 28, 2018, nag-exam ako for NCLEX. Naghinto siya or nag-stop siya sa 75, item 75. Super kabado kasi sobrang dami kong sinagutan na SATA questions or yung select all that applies. Hindi ko sure kung tama yung mga sagot ko. Bawat sagot ko talaga, dasal ako ng dasal. Hoping na ipagkaloob sa akin. I was pregnant when I got or when I sat for NCLEX exam. And ayun, pinagpala naman. So, and then I think after 2 days, tinry ko yung person view na trick. And I can attest na it is accurate. It will give you the accurate result kung pasado ka or hindi. After nun, nag-take ako ng IELTS. Pero I was talking to Avant na that time, and then I told them na nakapasa na ako ng NCLEX, and then they advised me to take IELTS nga para dire-diretso yung process. So, February 2019, nag-IELTS ako sa Singapore, and luckily, nakakuha ako ng 7 na score sa speaking. March 22, in-apply nila ako ng I-140, and it's a premium process. And then April 3, na-approve siya. And April 4, 2019, yung aking priority date.